Let me guess. You're thinking about learning 3D, and everyone keeps arguing online. AutoCAD is harder. No, Blender is harder. Blender is confusing. AutoCAD is boring. So, which one is actually harder? The answer might surprise you, because it's not about difficulty. By the end of this video, you'll know which software feels harder at the beginning, which one takes longer to truly master, and which one makes sense for you, not for the internet. But there's one difference between AutoCAD and Blender that almost nobody explains properly, and once you see it, the confusion disappears. Before we talk about tools, buttons, or features, we need to talk about how your brain works, because that's where the real difficulty comes from. AutoCAD and Blender are hard in completely different ways. AutoCAD is precise, rule-based, technical. You tell it exactly what to do. Blender is visual, creative, experimental. You feel your way through it. So the real question isn't which is harder. It's which thinking style feels harder to you. AutoCAD feels hard because everything must be accurate. Small mistakes break the entire drawing. You need to think in measurements, not shapes. It's less forgiving, but once you understand the rules, it becomes predictable. AutoCAD rewards logic and patience. The software packs many features for different jobs like 2D drawing and 3D modeling, so you must learn lots of shortcuts and methods. New users struggle with basics like layers, scales, viewports, and the ribbon toolbar. It also needs a strong computer or it lags and frustrates you. Common mistakes beginners make is forgetting to use layers right, making drawings messy and hard to fix. They pick wrong tools or mess up dimensions, leading to errors later. Jumping into 3D too soon skips key 2D skills. Factors making it tougher is your background counts. If you know drafting, it's simpler. Total newbies take longer. Goals matter too. Basic 2D is quicker than pro 3D work. Without good guides or mentors, confusion grows. To make it easier, start with 2D basics like lines and layers before 3D. Customize your workspace for speed. Use free tutorials, practice daily, and find a mentor for quick fixes. Learning basic AutoCAD skills like drawing lines, shapes, layers, and simple edits typically takes 40 to 60 hours for beginners with no prior experience. This equals about 2 to 4 weeks of daily practice or structured classes. Time varies by your dedication, prior CAD knowledge, and learning method. If you already know drawing by hand or other computer design programs, you learn AutoCAD basics much faster, maybe in just 20 to 30 hours. Practice every day for 2 to 4 hours works way better than doing it only sometimes. Good video lessons beat trying to figure out alone, and a fast computer plus staying focused help too. Focus on 2D first. Master commands like line, circle, and layer. Use free Autodesk trials and YouTube for hands-on practice. Track progress with small projects to build confidence fast. Blender feels hard because the interface looks overwhelming. There are many ways to do the same thing. Progress feels messy at first. Blender punishes rushing. Many beginners also struggle with the heavy use of keyboard shortcuts instead of simple menus. Plus, 3D skills themselves take time to build, and Blender has many tools like modeling, rigging, and rendering to learn. But once things click, your speed increases dramatically. Blender rewards experimentation and repetition. The default screen in Blender shows a complex layout with panels and menus that scare new users. It feels like too much to handle right away, unlike simpler apps. But users get used to it fast with practice. Blender relies on shortcuts like G to grab or R to rotate, which speed up work but confuse mouse-only users. Tutorials often teach too many at once, causing overload. Start with basics like these to build comfort. Blender covers modeling, animation, lighting, and more, so it feels endless for beginners. No single path exists, leading to choice overload. Focus on one skill, like simple modeling, before jumping around. Many free tutorials rush through steps or follow along without explaining why, leaving gaps in understanding. This creates frustration when you try solo projects. Pick structured courses that teach concepts slowly. Change the key map to industry compatible in settings for familiar controls. Practice daily on small projects like a cup or chair to avoid burnout. Watch beginner YouTube channels with simple English explanations. But here's the part nobody tells you. AutoCAD is harder at the start. Blender is harder in the middle. AutoCAD's learning curve is steep, then flat. Blender's is confusing, then explosive. That's why people argue online. They quit at different stages. So, which one should you learn? The answer depends on one simple question. If you like structure, rules, technical problem solving, AutoCAD will feel easier long-term. If you like visual thinking, creativity, bringing ideas to life, Blender will feel more natural eventually. Neither is harder. They're hard for different reasons. If this helped you decide or think differently, subscribe. On this channel, I break down 3D software, workflows, and careers without hype or gatekeeping. And in the next video, I'll explain which 3D skill actually pays more in the real world and why. You don't want to miss that.